Next topic is modulus on the number line. The distance between the 2 points A and B on the number line is modulus of B minus A. Let us take a straight line, means we have been given a number line, and on that number line I have two values, two numbers. This is 2, let us take this as 2, and this is 7. Okay, let this 2 is denoted by A and value of B is 7. So what this statement is saying, if I have to find out the distance between 2 points 7 and 2, between 7 and 2, I need to take the differences between these 2 points, means 7 minus 2, which is 5. Taking the modulus, this is plus 5. What is the need of taking the modulus? Because I can interchange the values of A and B, means I can take value of A as, or value of B as 2 and A as 7. Now if I subtract this, you will get 2 minus 7 mod is modulus of minus 5, which is plus 5. So what this statement is saying, that if you have to find out the difference or the distance between 2 points, in this case it is 7 and 2, you just need to take the differences between the 2 points. As a convenience, we take this point A as your origin or reference point. Reference point or origin means from where you are measuring the distances. Okay. So if I take A as 2, and B as 7, right? So I'm measuring the distance of 7 from 2, means 7 minus 2 I'm writing. Okay. The distance is obviously 5. But this is one part of the story. Second part is, what will happen if I move towards left of the point A? What will happen if I move towards left of this point A equal to 2? Because earlier I am moving towards right and I get a point 7 whose distance from point 2 is 5. That is the meaning of this. Either 2 minus 7 or 7 minus 2. Okay, but what will happen if I move towards left? So let us see, let us locate the point which will give you the distance as plus 5 if I move towards left. Okay, so obviously if you can count from this, that this is A, this is point 1, this will be point 0, this is minus 1, 2, minus 2 and minus 3. If you count here, I am moving distance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I reach a point which is minus 3. Okay. So if you take the distance of minus 3 from 2, again you will get as 5. Okay. So here's the simple thing. If it is talking about the distance of a point from the origin point or from a reference point, in this case which is A, that means you are moving a distance towards right by that many units, or you are moving towards left. Okay, if you are moving towards right, you write the distance as positive, and if you are moving towards left, you write the distance as negative. For example, in this case, you are saying that, for example, if I say that distance of point, any point from 3, it is given as 4. Okay, that means my reference point is 3. On a number line, you are at position 3, and now you are moving in such a way that the distance from this point 3 is 4. So if you are moving towards right, so 4 distance 1, 2, 3, 4, you will arrive at point 7. So one solution for this means the value of x will be 7. But if you are moving towards left 4 units, you will say that this x, that means if I write this mathematically, or I have to remove this modulus, if you are moving towards right, so x minus 3 is equal to 4. x minus 3 is equal to 4, that means x is equal to 7. You're moving towards the right, and if you're moving towards the right, left, you will write this as x minus 3 is equal to minus 4. Positive distances means towards right, negative means towards left, right? So in this case, this is x minus 3 equal to minus 4, you will get x as minus 1. Okay, you can count the distance. This is 2, this is 1, 0, and then you arrived at minus 1. 4 distances towards left. Okay, so basically modulus is just the distance from a fixed point. Okay, having solved this, we encounter with some equations to solve for x, the equation which involves modulus. So this concept is very useful in finding out the values of x, or the equations or inequalities which involves modulus sign. So let us see the questions that comes. Number 1 is we have to solve x minus 2 mod is equal to 3. Now there are 3 ways to solve these kind of 3 methods to solve modulus equation. Method number 1 is the graphical method. Graphical method means we can draw the graph of both the functions. Both the function means that on LHS I have x minus 2. On LHS I have x minus 2. Let me write this. X minus 2 mod is equal to 3. Okay, on LHS I have the graph of mod of x minus 2. This we have already done. So let us quickly sketch the graph of x minus 2. This is your corner point which will be at 2, and this is your minus x plus 2. Right, so this is a graph of y equal to mod of x minus 2, and on RHS I have the graph of y is equal to 3. Okay, so y equal to 3 will be a straight line parallel to x-axis like this. Okay, let me quickly write. This is point 2, this is point 2, and this point is 3. Okay, y is equal to 3. Fine. Now as you can see, there are 2 points of intersection of this green straight line, and this blue straight line. One point of intersection is this, and second point of intersection is this. Okay, so how to find out the value of these points of intersection? It is just simple that you need to solve these 2 equations simultaneously. One for y is equal to x minus 2, and one is for y equal to 3. Okay, let me write the equation of this straight line. This is x minus 2, and this is minus x plus 2. This we have already done when we learned how to draw the graph of any modulus function. Okay, so let me find out the point of this by writing this as x minus 2 equal to 3. So x is equal to 5. So this point is x equal to 5. And second point you will obtain by writing this as minus x plus 2, or you may write that this is x minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So you will get x as minus 1. Right? Or you may write this as minus x plus 2, because this equation is minus x plus 2 equal to 3. So x is minus 1. I think this is more correct because you are solving the equation with the straight line. So you may neglect this. Okay, this will be right because you are solving this is from using minus x plus 2 equal to 3 and x equal to minus x equal to 3. Sorry. So you get 2 points, x equal to minus 1 and plus 5. Right, these are the solutions. So this is how you can solve the equation which involves modulus sign. Second is method is using definition. Definition means that we have already learned, discussed just now, which is using the definition means the distance, using the distance concept. Okay, so if it is written x minus 2 mod is equal to 3, that means if I'm moving towards right, I will take this as plus 3, or if I'm moving towards left, I will take this as minus 3. Okay, so here I will get x as plus 5 or x as minus 1. Okay, third method which is used most often is squaring. Squaring means the equation is x minus 2 mod is equal to 3. I can square on both the sides. Squaring will make the things more simpler, because x minus 2 mod could be plus and negative if you are not squaring this. Squaring the equation will nullify the effect of negative sign. Okay, so I can square this. After squaring, this LHS will always be positive, so I can remove the modulus sign and write this as plus, write this like this, x minus 2 whole square, and this is plus 9. So this is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9. X square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means value of x is minus 1 and plus 5. Okay, so same solutions I am getting by using three methods. As I said earlier, that this squaring method is used most commonly, because in the next topic we will see how to solve inequalities. In that also we can square both the sides of inequalities, which involves modulus sign. Okay, let us quickly solve another question, which is x minus 2 modulus is equal to 2x minus 1 modulus. So I am using just let us say method 2 and method 3. I am not using the graphical method. So using the basic definition, I can write this as x minus 2 is equal to plus of 2x minus 1, or x minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 1, negative of 2x minus 1. Okay, so here I will get x as minus 1, and here I will get 3x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 1. So x equal to plus minus 1, I am getting the solution. Let us see. This is your method number 1 and method 2. Let us verify the result by using the squaring method. Let us quickly square these. X minus 2 whole square is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square. So this is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4x square plus 1 minus 4x. I can cancel these minus 4x on both the sides. So I will get 3x square is equal to 3. That means x square is equal to 1. So x is plus minus 1. Okay, the same result I am getting. Right, I think this method 2 is more simpler. Okay, so most commonly we will use method number 3, which is squaring the equations. Okay,